Pavilion Doro de Samson.
But why did you join MIT?
Ha?
Why did you join?
Because after winning Queen Philippines Universe, I really think that I can be the representative of the Philippines in the international pageants such as MIQ. That's why, you know, it's such an amazing transition from Queen Philippines to MIQ, and that's it. It's just my dream representing the Philippines one day, and I hope to make it this year.
Why should you be the next Miss International Philippines?
Oh my gosh. I should be the next Miss International Queen Philippines because I can be the face and representation of the LGBT community here in the Philippines. And of course, with the experiences and with all the things I've gone through in the pageantry here in the Philippines, I think I have what it does to be the next. I have what it takes to be the next Miss International Queen. Not just here in the Philippines, but also international.
Do you think that this is the right time for you?
I think there's no such thing as right time, or what I call this, when
Perfect
planning
time.
about year, it's about how you feel. Because if it is destined for you, then definitely it is for you. Because just like what they say, if it's your night, then it's your night. If the Lord God plans that for you, then He will give you. And He will give you that, and He will secure that, what I call this, moment in your life and give it to you.
Photo muna.